Hello everyone. Quick question. Are these graphs same? Well, the answer is yes. Let me explain. Before moving to the topic, I am Srirag here, currently pursuing my MCA from Marian College, Kuttikkanam. I am taking this opportunity to thank Dr. Mendes Jacob, Director of PG Department of Computer Application, for his invaluable guidance and support throughout this process. Let's begin. What is isomorphism? Isomorphism, meaning similar in forms. The formal definition of graph isomorphism goes like this. Two graphs G and G' are said to be isomorphic if there is a one-to-one correspondence between their edges and between their vertices such that the incident of relationship is preserved. I'll explain with graphs. Look at these graphs. Consider any two graphs G and G'. One-to-one correspondence between vertices means each point in G has a matching point in G'. That each vertex in G has a matching vertex in G'. The one-to-one correspondence between edges means each edge in G has a matching edge in G'. The last one. Incident relationship is preserved means if two points are connected in G, their corresponding point must be connected in G' in the same way. Now, how to check isomorphism in graphs? Consider these two graphs. There are certain conditions for doing that. The conditions are 1. There will be an equal number of vertices in the given graphs. Second, there will be an equal number of edges in the given graphs. The third one, there will be an equal amount of degree sequence in the given graph. If they satisfy the following conditions, then the graphs are considered as isomorphic graphs. Let's check the condition on these graphs. First one, there will be an equal number of vertices in the given graph. Here, we can see that there are 5 vertices for each graphs V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Second, there will be an equal number of edges in the given graph. Here, 5 edges each. The lines are considered as edges. Third one, there will be an equal amount of degree sequence in the given graph. Now, what's a degree? The degree of a vertex in a graph is the number of edges connected to it. Here, both graphs has the sum of degree 10 each. So, as a result, both graphs contain 5 vertices each with the same number of edges and has equal amount of degree. Hence, these graphs are isomorphic graphs. And this is how you identify isomorphic graphs. Now, for a clarity, non-isomorphic graphs will look like these. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching.